Step into the Ram 2018 1500 Express. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include engine, 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT included, electronically controlled throttle, gross vehicle weight, 6,350 pounds, heavy-duty engine cooling, next-generation engine controller, engine oil heat exchanger, Hemi badge, heavy-duty transmission oil cooler, ADD Class 4 receiver hitch, granite crystal metallic clear coat, diesel gray black cloth, 40/20/40 bench seat, wheels, 20-inch x 9 inches chrome-clad aluminum included, tires P275/60 R20 OWLS, disc, full-size temporary use spare tire, LED bed lighting, quick order package 26J Express included, engine 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower.